Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I given you some questions as a assignment work. I hope all of you have done. Children, from today onwards, we will start revision of chapter 1 and 2, that is our world and our country, because your online test will be start soon. Online class test time will be 1 hour. It will be only objective type of questions, that is MCQ. That means here one statement will be given and 4 options will be there. You have to choose the correct options. 4, maybe it will be maybe 3 options. So children, it is compulsory for all the students to attend the test, and all the details related to online test you will get soon. So now we started our revision work. As already I told you, it will be only objective type questions. So you have to learn everything from your book chapter 1 and 2. That means our world and our country. Let us start revision work. Students, in your chapter 2 our country, see here question number B, put a tick mark for each correct answer. Each correct answer. That means here 4 or 3 options are there. It may be 4 options will be given in your test paper. So you have to choose the correct option from there. Number 1 is the number of Indian languages recognized by the Constitution is, here options are 5, 10, 18. So what is the correct answer here? 18. That means 18 languages recognized by the Constitution. Our national language is, everyone know what is our national language? Options is here Hindi, English, Sanskrit. The Hindi is correct answer. Number 3, the tricolor as it today was adopted as India's national flag on. 3 dates are given here. First one is August 4th, 1942. Number 2 is July 22nd, 1947. Number 3rd option is June 19, 1950. Then correct answer is here July 22nd, 1947. Next one is the largest Indian state is, here 3 states name is given: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Largest Indian state, that is correct answer is Rajasthan. Number 5, Dogri is spoken mainly in Dogri. In which state is spoken Dogri? The 3 states are given. Name 3 states name is given here: Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. And correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Number 6, the most populous state in India is, that is correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. The state with the highest literacy rate is, correct answer is Kerala. Options are here Bihar, Goa, Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. The smallest Indian state, that is 3 options given here in Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Bihar. 4 options is there. So you have to choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest Indian state. The longest river in India is, 3 option is the Gangas, the Hooghly and the Brahmaputra. Correct answer is the Brahmaputra. The state with more women than men is, the state's name is Kerala. Same way, in E is given, pick the correct mark for each correct answer. The city of palaces is, here Bengaluru, Calcutta, Kochi. 3 options are there. You have to choose the correct option, and correct answer is Kolkata. Same way students, you have to learn all the multiple choice questions, that is fill in the blanks, tick the right cross, tick the mark for each correct answer, write true, false, and also a statement is given. You have to write the Union Territories capital's name, and or everything from your book.